Let us touch on the impeachment of Attorney General Ken Paxton. It's now generated a little bit of a dispute at the Texas Capitol. It's over whether Mr. Paxton should still be paid by taxpayers while he is suspended from his job. Our political reporter Jack Fink with a good explanation of the issue right now and what some think about it.
The showdown is between Texas Comptroller Glenn Hager's office and the office of suspended Texas Attorney General Ken Paxton. Mark Jones, a political science professor at Rice University, says it puts Paxton in a tight spot.
This probably adds more noise than anything else, and unwelcome noise for Attorney General Paxton.
After the Texas House impeached Paxton late last month, he was immediately placed on leave. On June 1st, the Comptroller's office sent a letter to John Scott, who was appointed by Governor Greg Abbott as the interim Attorney General. It said, quote, "In compliance with the Texas Constitution, no salary payment may occur to Attorney General Warren Kenneth Paxton while in a suspended status." But records show when the Attorney General's office submitted its June payroll, it included Paxton's $12,800 monthly salary. The Comptroller's office says it briefly placed payroll on hold for all of the Attorney General office's 4,200 employees until Paxton's pay file could be removed. All of the employees were paid on time, but Paxton didn't get a paycheck. An email sent Wednesday by the AG's office to the Comptroller's office said the Constitution could have, but does not, provide that his salary should be withheld during the pendency of impeachment proceedings. The letter goes on to say that the AG's office will still submit Paxton's salary on a supplemental payroll.
I think this puts staffers in the Attorney General's office in a difficult position, because if they made the decision to not pay Attorney General Paxton, they would be effectively siding against him. But if they made it for, they can effectively say, look, we're just continuing with the status quo.
On Thursday, the Texas Comptroller's office sent an email in response saying as long as Paxton remains suspended, any request for payment, quote, will be held and not processed through our statewide systems using state-appropriated funds. The Comptroller's office said the AG's office can't pay both its interim leader, John Scott, and Paxton while he's suspended. Jack Fink, CBS News, Texas.
And we did, by the way, reach out today to the AG's office. Paxton's lead lawyer finally got back to us, tell CBS News Texas his client has not requested a paycheck and did not direct anyone to make any such request on his behalf. So we got differing stories, but those are the sides, and all have spoken as of tonight.
All have spoken. We'll wait and see what happens.